Good everyone, in this video I'll be explaining how this dashboard interface looks like and how you can navigate through it. So firstly, I would like to address the package I am on right now is the Royal eSIM, not the Diamond eSIM. So I am on the Royal eSIM package right now, and there is a lower package of the Diamond eSIM. The Royal eSIM package costs 17,500 to get activated, and the Diamond eSIM plan costs 10,500 to get activated. So note that. Now moving on, they have few other features here. So if you want to get access to those features, you click on view more, view less, or view more. You understand? So that when you want to withdraw, you won't look for the button to withdraw. You can easily click on view more and you'll be able to withdraw. Now also, to change your balance right here to naira, you click here, or any other currency, you click here and you select naira. If you are from other countries, you have the option to change it to your various currency of your country, so you can easily change it back to dollar right here. So that is it. If you want to blind or cover your balance, you click on this eye icon. Understand? So this is how to navigate the website. This is how to navigate your dashboard. So now talking about this balance right here. Now whenever you want to withdraw, if you go over here to withdraw, you click on withdrawal, you'll see now right here you have to select the amount, or you have to select the wallet you're withdrawing for. So if you click over here, you'll see that they have Nextel Shares wallet, they have Nextel Revenue wallet, they have Nextel Connect wallet, they have Target Reward wallet, they have nCloud or nCalls wallet, they have nSMS wallet. Now the minimum withdrawal for this one is 20,000 naira, while the minimum withdrawal for these other ones is 15,000 naira. You understand? So this one is 20,000 naira and these other ones are 15,000 naira. Now this connect bonus withdrawal is in case you actually get someone to sign up with your link, your balance will add up here, so you can go ahead and withdraw this when it is above 20,000 naira. But in the case where you are performing but in the case where you are receiving calls and receiving messages from Nextel, this is where your balance will show itself. So this is the end cost balance. As you can see, I have over 1,000 naira here, and now the minimum withdrawal for this balance is 15,000 naira. So once I get up to 15,000 naira right here, I can go ahead and place my withdrawal, and my withdrawal will land in my account. So that's exactly how to go about it. So right now on your dashboard right here, you have the total balance. Now this is the total amount of money available in your account. Now you move over here and you have your current balance. Now this is the balance that is currently in your account that has not been withdrawn. You understand? So total balance will show you the total amount of money that your account has accumulated, while current balance will show you the total amount of money that is currently in your account. You understand? Now this end shares balance actually ends automatically. All you have to do is to keep performing, keep answering calls, keep be active on the website, keep receiving messages. The more you do that, the more this particular balance increases, because it is your shares. As a registered user on Nextel, you have shares. You understand? So these shares appreciate when you do activities on the website. When you are active on the website, these shares appreciate when other people also do activities on the website. So it is kind of automatic. Then moving on, this is ad revenue. The minimum for withdrawal for this wallet is 15,000 naira. Now this one is the connect bonus. The minimum withdrawal for this one is 20,000 naira. This one is target reward bonus. Now this target reward bonus is if you set for yourself a target to hit on the platform and you hit that target, you get an extra bonus. Let's say you set yourself to hit a target of 20k, 50k, you understand, and above. Once you hit that target, you get an extra bonus from the platform for hitting your goals. Now moving on, this is the end cloud balance. This is where all your call earnings, any call that you receive, this is where it comes into. So once this particular balance gets up to 15,000 naira, you can also withdraw your money directly to your dashboard. I mean directly to your account. Now the next one is the SMS message, which anytime you receive any SMS from a brand on Nextel, use balance increases. Once it gets up to 15,000, you can also go ahead and withdraw it. So that's the total breakdown of how your dashboard interface works and how to access various other features on your dashboard. Hope you got value from this video, and see you guys in my next one.